Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can upload photos to your TikTok videos. If you want to learn more about that, please watch this video till the end. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you do not miss any updates from us. So let's get started. So first, we'll open your TikTok app. So once you do that, you will click on the plus icon over there to create a new video. And now you will click on the upload option you have here on the bottom right. You'll click on that, and here you can upload many things. You can upload you can upload videos, or you can upload just photos. So now if you want to upload photos, you will click on the photos. You will select the photos that you want to upload, and then you click on next. You can also choose sound. You can search for any sounds, and now you will be able, your photo has been uploaded. You uploaded your photos as TikTok video. You can also use the green screen feature on TikTok. So let's search for effects on you will search for green screen effect. So you will do that, and now you'll upload a photo that's going to be your background. So now you've uploaded a photo, and now this is your background. You can show your photos like that. So and that's it. And then you will click on the record button, and now the video will be recorded. And after you're done recording, you'll click on tick the record button, and you're done. You can post this video. So that's it. I hope this video is of help to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video, and do subscribe and hit a like. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.